Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable a native dark mode features on the Google Chrome web browser. So when you are typically browsing on Chrome, you might have extensions or maybe certain websites allows to turn on dark mode in Chrome browser, as well as to allow the minus address bar start page and other elements to turn on dark background with white text. And I'm going to show you the easy method. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating Chrome web browser and then dito sa address bar, ay kailangan lang i-type yung Chrome // and plugs and then press mo lang yung enter. And then dito sa search plug ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung auto dark mode and then lalabas agad dito yung auto dark mode for web contents. So pwede ito sa Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, Fox, Sia, and Lacros. Kung paano ito mag-disabled or enabled, click mo lang tong arrow na to and then select mo lang tong enable or other options naman pwede mong pagpilian na dito siya. Alright, so click mo lang tong enable and then kailangan mo lang mag-relaunch. So click lang ito. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na totally nag-dark mode background na siya. Okay, so kahit punta tayo ng another page and search lang tayo. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na yung background natin ay naging dark na siya. Alright, kahit punta tayo dito sa ating YouTube channel and then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So makikita mo dito na talagang nag-dark mode background siya. So napaka pretty cool features talaga ito ng Google Chrome. Okay, ganito siya. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so napakadali lang naman. Punta ka lang dito sa Chrome plugs and search mo lang itong auto dark mode for web content and then click mo lang itong arrow na to and then select mo lang dito yung disable and then click mo lang itong relaunch. Ayan, so ganoon lang po ka-simple mga kaibigan. Okay, so ganoon lang po ka-simple kung paano tayo mag-enable or disable ng reader mode in Google Chrome. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.